Been a while since we've done a good 90s glam. I want to try and give myself really authentic 90s eyebrows, which means I will be drawing them pencil thin and trying to conceal them fully with glue and this concealer. My brows are already thin, but I want them to be thinner. First layer of glue. This glue is actually already going on so much better than when I have attempted this in the past. Maybe it's just because I have no eyebrows now, so it's a little bit easier. Let's go in with layer number 2. I don't know that I let this dry enough, but I'm impatient. Now I'm going to take this concealer and put it on top of my eyebrows to hopefully cancel out the darkness. Okay, this is my last layer. It's actually kind of turning out okay, I think. I feel like once we do one more round of the orange concealer, once we powder it and add some foundation, it might actually look flush with my skin. Let's try this again. This time I'm gonna kind of stamp it in. Oh yeah, okay. I think this might work. Color theory is so crazy because how is this working? How is this covering up my dark eyebrows? This is actually going so much better than I thought. I feel like every other time that I've attempted to do this, I get really impatient with waiting for the glue to dry, and then it just looks messy. I'm gonna set these now with some powder. Taking my favorite Kosas concealer, I'm gonna put this all over my eye. This is looking absolutely insane, but anything for the 90s brows. I kind of doubted myself a bit. And I'm gonna be kind of gentle as I stamp this in because I don't want to disrupt the glue. Because again, I'm impatient and probably didn't let it dry for as long as I should have. Guys, taking a little bit more powder just to go on top of this concealer. Now taking my favorite foundation, this is the House Labs foundation in shade 270, and putting this all over my skin. This is a full beat, so we're going heavy. Makeup by Mario contour stick. I'm gonna kind of bring my contour a little bit higher on my cheekbones today. And same beauty blender. Then once we use all of our cream products, we're gonna set everything with our powders, and then I will draw on my eyebrows so that I look a little bit more like a human being and less like an alien. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in shade medium. And I kind of use this as contour and just stipple this in with this contour brush. But it's so pretty. Going under my eyes just to brighten and lift this area. We'll do a little on the forehead as well. Really focusing on this line right here. This is going to really accentuate our eye makeup later as well. I'm going to bronze with powder first. Setting my whole face with powder. You can literally see it flying around me, but I love this powder. It's the Huda powder. Now for the really fun part, drawing on my new brows. I want a product that will let me really create a new shape rather than something that's powdery. So we're going to use Dip Brow. I want my drawn on eyebrows to pretty much be the size of this brush. And I'm going to go right above my natural brow. I'm going to clean this up a bit more with this really bright concealer to define this brow shape, adjust it to be the same as the other one, and also create an eye base. I've used this concealer for years as an eye base, and I don't think I will ever change. Okay, how is that for a trust the process? Now let's do our eyeshadow.